Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will discuss with you now if there is a problem about booting. Windows cannot boot or cannot load this Windows operating system. So there is a problem inside a boot process. So what will you do? I explain this one in a virtual machine because I already attached this hard disk drive. This hard disk drive I attached. It's very easy to make it edit machine, and from here edit I'll go and add more hard disk drive. I can add any of these items, very easy. This is not our issue for today, but I wanna show you if the Windows cannot open and give you a message like what you will see, and I will show you how to solve this problem by using this bootable ISO for partition assistant, AOMEI Partition Assistant. I created this bootable ISO to facilitate your work, because if your Windows lose his boot option, especially also in case of you will change the boot type from for your hard disk drive from GPT boot into MBR. If you convert your the type of the boot option for your hard disk drive from GPT to MBR, so actually you will lose the partition called ESD. This ESD is responsible for UEFI or EFI boot manager, okay, or bootloader. EFI bootloader or winload.efi already exists in this partition. So if you converted your hard disk drive from UEFI or from GPT to MBR, actually you will lose this partition called ESD. This partition always hidden in a hidden state. This is for security and protection for Windows boot. Okay. In case of in this case, what you will see or what you will do inside in this case. So I'll show you how to create and also how to convert how to make this partition for Windows partition working as a boot partition. So I'll teach you every good and tiny things. I'll teach you how to solve your problems very easy like this. Let's turn on this machine. This is only introduction about our video for today. I'll teach you how to convert this boot and also how to solve if there is a boot issue, the boot problem happened to your hard disk drive, and also if accidentally you already take some you already practice and try to convert from a GPT and MBR, so you encountered this problem with you. So now I'm teaching how to solve this problem, especially when you convert this hard disk type boot type from GPT to MBR. So what will you do in this case? So this is an example, okay? I didn't convert anything, but this is, you will see this solution will lead you to solve the same solution of changing from GPT to MBR. This problem is the same in the front of you, okay? Let's open this virtual machine. It's already hard disk drive, including Windows inside, but this Windows cannot boot right now. So I'll show you how to solve this problem now. Let's see. Hard disk always coming like this. Then he's trying now to boot from network because he cannot find the hard disk drive to boot, or the boot option for this hard drive, it's not active, or the Windows partition is not active, or in another way we can say a boot partition is not working, or boot partition already lost his boot property, and then finally the Windows will say he cannot find or existing internal, so operating system is not found. This is messages always coming for your hard disk drive because you already have a hard disk drive and already also have a copy of Windows installed. So it's better to reboot or use this AOMEI bootable ISO I created for you to solve same as this problem if you face this problem. So I created this AOMEI to solve this problem. Okay, let's turn off this machine. Let's mount the bootable ISO for AOMEI. Just use this ISO image. Where is this ISO image? I'll point to the location for Windows 11. This is the video for today. My dev already finished. And then now integrated graph for this. This is AOMEI Partition Bootable ISO project. This is my bootable AOMEI partition assistant I created for you to solve these problems. Okay, let's open this one and make all. Okay, there's power on this machine again to start from CD-ROM because he cannot find the hard disk drive to boot, so he will start boot directly from my ISO I created for you. See, I already created these two menus. The first menu is for 64-bit. This is especially for UEFI boot partition, for UEFI boot option. Okay, so you will use you will use this x64 version. It's better to boot for UEFI boot option. Okay, the other one is 32. Let's boot from 64 because 64 is always a comprehensive booting. It can boot for MBR and UEFI, so this is a comprehensive bootable ISO, can work with all type of boot, especially if this boot is UEFI or GPT boot partition. Let's start with this x64. Let's get started with this bootable ISO for AOMEI Partition Assistant. I created this ISO to facilitate your work as an IT manager or enterprise admin, to facilitate your work and make you a powerful tool. You will have a powerful tool. In the future, maybe after 3 videos or 4 videos, I'll explain how to create a bootable program or a bootable ISO for any software you want to run from boot. So I will enforcing you, and I'll teach you everything I have in mind to make you very powerful man and rare charisma to solve any encountered problem happen with you. So you will be able to solve it, and also you will be able to create your own tools by yourself. So you will no need to make it by the others, because you already have the science to create everything and make everything by yourself. Okay, now this AOMEI partition assistant already started. Okay, now this partition is not a bootable partition. Just right click. This is the disk. Okay, this is MBR because this is MBR boot. So now I know this is MBR boot. Okay, because if this is GPT, you will see here this is a GPT boot. Now we know this is MBR. So right click on this partition. You will see. Let's make it up a little bit up to see everything is clear. Right click. You will see here. Sometimes you see set active. Set active. This especially in Partition Wizard and all and the other programs. But this AOMEI is a powerful and very good program. And also this is a powerful program in my as per my experience, the previous experience about dealing with all this partition management software. This is the best. AOMEI is the best for me as per my experience. This is my advice for you to use it in all things. So sometimes in Partition Wizard you'll see set active here is already in the front of you directly. Okay, but here in AOMEI you will find it inside advanced. So if you go inside advanced, you will see set active. We want activate this partition as a Windows, because if it's not now, it's not active, because set active is already active. So it means that the partition is not active right now. So let's make it set active, and let's click OK. Okay, then press apply. Now already proceed. He is confirming me to proceed. Yes, I wanna make this partition as a bootable, so I'll click it yes. So now he's applying boot option to be applied in this partition, and then he will give me a message that the process successfully finished. Okay, now he's creating now target current operation in progress is 100%, but still not, because this points is still working at the background of the system. So When finished, he will give me a message. It will give me a message that the configuration or congratulation is he's celebrating with this already successfully completed, and this is good. Okay, already successfully completed. The process now to make this Windows partition as a bootable now already finished by using this AOMEI partition, because this hard disk drive, hard disk drive after Windows installation, the partition is not, it was not active. See, try to go now for set active to see if already dimmed becomes dimmed or still active. Let's go to advanced. See, set active partition already become dimmed. It means the partition already active right now, right? So this is a solution for the hard disk drive. Now we will restart this machine, or it's better to stop this machine because it will work from ISO, or it will start from my ISO. So I'll shut down this machine, or turn off, shut down this machine again, and try to eject my ISO. I'll try to eject my ISO like this. Okay, now I already unmount my ISO, so I'll try to boot from this hard disk drive from my Windows and see if the Windows boot successfully. It means we already solved this the problem of booting from my hard disk drive already solved, and Windows will start boot. See, now starting boot successfully, and everything in my problem now already solved by using AOMEI partition. And because the partition for Windows is not, it was not active, that's why I created this CD or bootable AOMEI partition assistant as a bootable. And also I already included x32 and x64 to be comprehensive for all situations you will face, or all challenges you will face in your life, in IT life. So you will be able to solve every problem you will face in your life, in your IT life. You will be able to load your Windows again. So after losing the boot option, so you will be able to recover the boot option instead of installing a new operating system. This is the advanced way and the professional way to recover your Windows again if already lost the boot property or the boot option from your hard disk drive, in case of accidentally you converted it from GPT to MBR. So this is the solution for your problem in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now we reach to the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this information will be valuable for you, and what I created for you, I hope to be valuable for you to use it in your IT field as a network administrator or enterprise administrator. So I want to be good as possible in this life to share my knowledge. What I have in mind, I'll share it all with you, because this is the best way to feel serenity and peace of mind. Okay, now thanks for watching, and goodbye. See you later. Have a nice time.